Hello there, my friends. I'm Pittsburgh Pat, and today I'm going to unbox this camera that I'm going to use to stream on YouTube and talk to you folks about things going on in my life. So it's going to be my blogging camera, and it's available on Amazon. I'm going to put the description below. I know you like videos, so we're going to do it. All right, you guys love these unboxing videos. So this is what I got. My wife got me this for our anniversary, which is awesome. So, anniversary gifts. Alright. I quite like unboxing something that's going to help me with YouTube. Oh, actually, I got a couple other things too. Oh, I got stickers for D&D class. We're going to go through all these stickers in the next video. Sweet. If you don't know it, I teach D&D to kids. Oh, and I got some lifetime guaranteed socks. These are called Darn Good Socks, I think, or Darn Tough Socks. And so we're going to try these out, and I'll see if these are worth $27 for one pair of socks. I know, right? But sheesh, they are guaranteed for life. But this is what I got. I got this digital camera set up. And actually, it's just the digital camera. I thought this was supposed to be the whole rig with the microphone and everything. But let's see. Yeah, it does say it has a stereo microphone. Okay. That's good because I wanted that. Oh, by the way, guys, I have a Patreon now. So if you want to support the channel, you can do that there. And of course, I want to subscribe to the channel as well. All right, so yeah. Let's do this. Digital camera instruction manual. Lens cleaning cloth. I have lots of those. Alright. So this is the handle where you mount it. And then you'll be able to use the camera like in kind of a Steadicam kind of mode. Charging block. Battery, another battery, a remote control. That's cool because then I can set the camera up over here, shoot this way, have it on a tripod away from me so that if I work on the table it doesn't shake the camera, because that's the thing with this arm here that you can't see, it's off camera. But I'll show you this setup right now. I'll show it to you in another video because people are always interested about behind the scene of what YouTubers do. Here's a USB-A to a USB-C cable. Those are very useful. Here's the microphone. Sweet. All right. Here is 1/8 jack to 1/8 jack. That must be for the microphone, I'm assuming. Here's a SD card. I have tons of SD cards. This is the lens mount, right? So this is like the shade over the lens so that you don't get some shadows. And then here's the actual camera. Oops. Yeah, here's the actual camera. Just stay there. Okay. Velcro. Interesting. Padding there. 8K. It's plastic, not metal. Okay. Got your so you can see yourself while you're shooting. It's got a physical lens cap with a lanyard. Okay, cool. This is where you put the camera, the microphone. And actually, I wonder if you can actually plug in another microphone, because I got another microphone. I got Ryan's microphone. If you guys see me do D&D blogs, you'll know Ryan from the Verdigris table. I actually have his microphone. I really like the warmth and the sound of that because he upgraded his recently. So now I have my blue Yeti, and I also have his HyperX. So I'll have to show you guys that. All right, cool. So that's the unboxing video. I'm going to put this thing together, and I'll show you guys how to do that on the next video. So if you have any questions, let me know. What do you guys want me to make next? I think that's the next thing for me to do, is to make the next video on how to put these things together. But yeah, tell me what you want to see next, and I will talk to you then. This is Pittsburgh Pat signing off. Thanks everybody for subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you. And like I said, I have a Patreon if you want to like sign up for that. So no pressure. Thanks. Take care.